guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. As you know from previous product reviews and my escapades at my mom's house cutting down a huge limb from a huge tree recently, I brought all my mini handheld chainsaws, mostly electric battery powered, to my mom's house, and we cut that limb in no time. It was really impressive how these new handheld battery operated chainsaws cut really well. Almost thinking to yourself that maybe gas chainsaws are a thing of the past. Unless a huge tree falls from like a hurricane or something like that, will you have the need for a gas powered chainsaw that's 24 inches long? But these handheld ones around the house in a residential area will do the job just fine. In terms of cutting down small trees, cutting branches down, and slicing firewood. Today we're reviewing another handheld electric battery powered mini chainsaw that's 6 inches from my friends over at Dehan. Let's unbox it real quick and see what it looks like. So it comes in this plastic case. Kind of cool, huh? All right, once you open it up, you got the owner's manual. Comes with a free pair of safety glasses, which have broken. Chain Earl, spare chain bar, pair of gloves, little brush. Here's the chainsaw itself. Comes with a screwdriver, either Phillips or slotted. Not one, but 2 extra chains. Charging adapter. Not one, but 2 batteries that are 21 volt, 2 amps per hour each, and both with a power gauge, so you know how much power's in here. This one's full, this one's full. So the safety trigger here, you have to first push this to be able to pull the trigger, okay? This is for adding a little bit of bar and chain oil. Don't think this is the bar and chain oil. I think this is just a lubricant. So for us to be able to use this, I'm gonna have to put some bar and chain oil in here, which I have. So it has like a finger guard. Also, you can turn this knob to loosen, so you can remove this cover here so that you could replace your bar or your chain. This is a little guide, if you will, so that you don't put your hand on top. This will always protect you from the top part of this. And of course, you would never put your hand there. You shouldn't even put your hand anywhere near this. Look at this display here showing 100%. Let's just trigger it and see. It's showing how much energy is being used. kind of unnecessary to have that, but it's kind of cool. Let me go put some bar and chain oil in here. I'm going to put some bar and chain oil in here now. How are you supposed to do that? Let's take the battery out first. And take the battery out. It's really stiff. Maybe the oil is to lubricate that. I don't know how they expect you to do this, but I'm assuming this is for bar and chain oil. Only makes sense. You wouldn't put anything else in here. Look at the small reservoir. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a cold one today, eh? All right, it didn't take much at all. But as you can see, it's clear. A little bubble there, so you can see if it's full or not. My other handheld chainsaws do not require bar and chain oil. So it's in the middle of winter right now, and actually I don't have any big branches to cut. I did see some on the other block of this neighborhood. Let's go. So as you can see, we've had a lot of heavy winds here, and big tree limbs just break off the trees and fall. And so when this happens, I lost my glove. You can simply just whip out one of your handheld chainsaws and go to town. I brought it back because I need some firewood starter. Doesn't seem very good, actually. I wonder if it's on the wrong end. I believe this chain is on backwards. Yep, they put this on backwards. Broken glasses, and they put this on backwards. How about that? Not a good start, eh? Well, at least this gives me an opportunity to show you how to put it back. As you can see, it's nothing to it, pretty easy. It's pretty easy to mistakenly put it on, but if you're a manufacturer of chainsaws, so this goes this way, right? Here, watch. It goes counterclockwise. See? So it goes this way. So if you brush your fingers this way, it should be very sharp and stop it. And it's not smooth. But if you go the other way, it's sharp. So it needs to go this way. Yep, that's sharp and it catches your finger. Not a big deal, but does everybody know that? I only know that because I work on chainsaws. Line up the holes, put the cover back on, and put the bolt back on. Really didn't need that screwdriver that they gave you. So I wonder what the screwdriver's for. There. Yep, now it catches. So this should be right now. Let's try it again. Much faster, see? cut it about this size because it fits on in my fireplace easily. Did I tell you it was windy? Now we get into the thick point. Nice, huh? I got some firewood starter. In like a minute I cut that thing. So I've almost chopped all the wood that I collected. But let's just try this. Will this 6-inch handheld chainsaw, battery powered, be able to cut a slice of that? I mean, look, this is like almost a foot long, maybe 10 inches. Let's give her a try. How about that? Chain's a little loose now, but can you believe it? It took a while, but it sliced it. So you saw what I did? That long branch and this big slice of a log. Still have full bars. How's that possible? If you wanted to tighten that chain again, loosen that, pull on it a little, tighten it back. There you go. $79. Really cool, huh? So it has a brushless motor, and it's 21 volt lithium ion battery. They give you 2 of these, and while the 2 amps per hour is not very high, you ideally want like a 5 or 8. You know, that means it packs a big punch, a lot of power, and it lasts much longer. But they did give you 2, so you can charge this while you're using the other one, and then when that's depleted, this should be ready to go, so you can have non-stop power going on. I'm pretty impressed with this. That's pretty good. So other than my broken glasses, which I popped back in again, and then putting the chain on backwards, this little guy packs a great punch. Pretty cool. So once again, this is the Dehan 6-inch handheld electric battery powered chainsaw. You saw what I did. Huge tree limb, munched it up in about less than a minute, and then cut like a 10-inch diameter log. Like I said, why carry around a huge gas chainsaw when you can just carry this around? If you guys would like something like this, go check it out yourself. I'll leave a link in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this weekend product review of the mini chainsaw. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more tool-related content like this. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.